Hi guys, my name is EKD. Welcome to my channel. From graphics design to motion graphics, from branding to logo designs, all I do is to simplify your design learning process. You can trust me on that. I provide awesome tutorials that will help you learn fast. All you have to do is to subscribe to this channel, like my videos, and share.
Hi there, it's EKD and I'm a brand identity designer actually, and I've been designing since 2010. I think you should do the calculation so you know I have little experience. Alright, so when I started designing, I think I was just doing it for passion. Alright, so at first it was just free. Imagine me designing for people free. It took another level. I started receiving peanuts here and there. But you know, the first time you start something, you're just doing it for passion. I do not see that as a bad thing. It gets to a stage where you just feel that things are not measuring up, all right? The pay is not measuring up to the value you have. I think you yourself, you've thought about it. That's why you're watching this video. So I would like to give you, in few minutes, these 3 steps that I used in increasing my prices from peanuts to a few thousands, all right? I don't want to sound intimidating, so I'll just say few thousand, all right? Just give me attention, all right? So the first thing is that you have to increase value. You know what? I'm not a fan of not being competent and then trying to increase your price. Most people will say, okay, just increase your price. Maybe you're charging $5, increase it to $100. But I don't feel, I'm not a fan, I'm not of the opinion that you should increase your price when you are not competent, all right? So the first thing you want to do is that you want to grow yourself. At any level, we still need to learn. Even me, I'm still learning more. So the more I increase my value, the more tendency I have to increase my price, all right? That's what I go with. When you start getting acquainted with different latest softwares, latest way of doing things, by doing that, you are doing something to your price. So the first thing you want to do, be competent enough. Increase your value. Strive to do that. I started increasing my value. I started learning about the new things, the new skill sets. Every day you just try to increase your value, all right? That's the first thing. While the second thing is fixed perception. So what do I mean by fixed perception? You get to make people see you as valuable or not, all right? This is applicable to other areas of life, but relating to design, all right? You make your client see that you have value. Sometimes you might have value, you might be very competent, but the way you put yourself out there, the perception people have of you is that you don't have value. So there's something you can do to your clients to make them see you as valuable, all right? And it's something you do intentionally, all right? I'm going to give you a simple example so you just know what I'm talking about. For instance, some persons tend to pursue clients, tend to pursue them. I know that's what to do. Even me, I made that mistake before, but I've learned my lesson. You don't pursue clients, all right? Even if you do it indirectly. You don't go that, please design this thing. You go to people's DM, design this thing. What you should do is to place your design out there to get them to see the need, and they will make demand for it. But you going out there to meet them, oh, you want to design, sending DMs, and all this thing, they see you as somebody that is just wants the money. Most of the times they might just give you the work and they'll just give you peanuts, all right? But when you put yourself out there, just put your work. Nobody's saying you should not put your work. Just put your work and let them make demand for it, all right? I know it's not easy, especially when you need the money. It's not easy, but it's for a season. And you see that it will start paying off, all right? And another thing is that people tend to downplay excellence, all right? The way you package yourself. Most times you want to a client is asking for a portfolio and you're sending pictures. When you want to give them price, they won't. You should have everything done. You should have your price list. You should have a portfolio, maybe even if not a custom, maybe a portfolio with custom address. You can use all those softwares like Behance to just create your portfolio so they know you are ready. So when they say I need a work, you send them your portfolio. Just seeing the way you present your work alone, that gives them the perception that this guy is worth something, all right? So you should intentionally do it. And lastly, you want to actually increase your price. Notice that I didn't mention this first, because the first 2 things, if you can do them, your prices will automatically just adjust. Before these guys come to message you, they've seen your work, they've seen the way you package yourself, they've seen that these guys are of value. So when they are coming, they have that mind that they are coming to pay something. Sometimes you might just have to consciously do it. that's increasing your price. All right, you might say you are charging $5 and maybe you increase it, but I will advise you to do it in a curve. All right, don't just jump from $5 to $100. Do it in a curve. You move. All right, you move $5, maybe 15, from 15, 25, from 25, you increase maybe to 50, like that, and you see that one day you'll be charging $1,000 like some other persons. So it's a process. I hope you learned something. And lastly, I want to give a very candid advice, all right, to you guys. So one thing is that don't be under pressure, because I know some persons might, that's why I didn't mention the amount I charge. All right, some person might just put out there that you're receiving $1,000, you're receiving $2,000, you're charging $2,000 for a design, for a flyer, they're charging this, charging that. But do not be intimidated. All right, do not be intimidated. It might actually be that when those guys were at your level, they were charging something lesser than what you are charging right now. So it means you are actually doing better than us. All right, so that's it for me. So bye, see you next time. I remain EKD.
Hi guys, my name is EKD. Welcome to my channel. From graphics design to motion graphics, from branding to logo designs, all I do is to simplify your design learning process. You can trust me on that. I provide awesome tutorials that will help you learn fast. All you have to do is to subscribe to this channel, like my videos, and share.